Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is write a letter to the secretary of your society asking him to provide street lights in your locality. Let's get started. ABC Society, City, XYZ, then write the date, the secretary, ABC Society. Subject, request for street lights. Sir, I, Saad Khan, on behalf of the residents of ABC Society, would like to state that most of the streets of our locality are without any lights. In the night, many crimes take place here because the streets remain dark. People are afraid of going anywhere at night. We want the problem resolved. We therefore request and hope that you would be kind enough to provide street lights and oblige us thereby. Yours faithfully, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.